Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch. It's a very easy stitch, 2 rows repeat. It's a nice stitch to do a blanket, a scarf, whatever you like to do. It's, well, quite reversible. This is the back and this is the front. So this stitch works with multiples of 4 plus 3 more. So I chain my multiples of 4 here, and I'm gonna chain 3 more. Okay, well, let's see if we can go a little bit closer. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna skip the first 3 chains from the hook, 1 2 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, yarn over the hook, we're gonna go in there into the 4th chain, and we're gonna do a double crochet. So now in each chain, until we finish this row, we're gonna do double crochet. So move to the next chain and we're gonna do double crochet. So double crochet in each chain. Next chain, double crochet. I think this is nice to make a baby blanket. If you use a thick yarn, I think it will look much better. The yarn that I'm using, it's not so thick, and with this yarn I'm using the 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, even though this yarn I think recommends 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. So double crochet in each chain. It's very easy for you guys, the beginners. This one, it's really easy. And if you get bored and you want to do something simple, you can choose this stitch for whatever project you like to do. So double crochet in the last chain, and now we're gonna chain 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Turn your work. And now we're gonna skip the first 4 double crochet. So we're gonna skip this one, 1 2 3 4. And between 4th and 5th, in the space between the double crochets, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet. So you don't go into the stitch, you go between the double crochet. So 1 2 3 4 we skip, and between 4th and 5th we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 4, and again we're gonna skip the next 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 4, and in between the 4th and 5th we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet. Okay, again we're gonna chain 4, and now we're gonna skip the next 4. 1 2 3 4, and in this chain, either the way you will prefer, either you go into the top chain here, or you go into the space between the double crochet and this chain 3 that we skipped in the beginning. Yeah, I'm gonna go just into the space and I'm gonna do a single crochet. Now chain 4, turn your work, and now what we're gonna do, yarn over the hook in this space, the chain 4 that we did here, into the space we're gonna place 3 double crochets just in the beginning here, 3 double crochets. So we're gonna do 3 double crochets, the second and the third. Only 3 double crochets because this 4 chain that we did here counts as a double crochet, so we have 4 in total with a chain. So yarn over the hook. Now move to the next chain 4 space here, and inside the space you're gonna go in there and we're gonna do 4 double crochets. So 1 2 3rd and 4th. So now we reach the end. Again we have the chain 4 space, and in the space here we're gonna place 4 double crochets. It's a very easy stitch, goes really fast, but I think it's gonna eat a lot of yarn. So one more. So we have 4 double crochet at the end. Now again, chain 4, turn your work, and now we're gonna repeat the second row. So we're gonna skip all these 4 double crochet, and in the space between the double crochet here, the clusters, we're gonna do a single crochet. So you go into the space there, do a single crochet, chain 4, skip this 4 double crochet, and in the space between these clusters of double crochet right here, we're gonna do a single crochet. Again, chain 4. Okay, and now you're gonna skip all this, and like I said, if you like to go into the chain on top here, this one, you go into the chain, but I'm just gonna go into the space right here, and I'm gonna do a single crochet, and again, chain 4, turn your work, and now yarn over the hook. In the first 4 chain space here, we're gonna place only 3 double crochet because this chain 4 counts as a double crochet. So you go in there and you place 3 double crochets. So we have 3. Yarn over the hook, move to the next chain 4 space, and we're gonna place 4 double crochets in there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4th. Okay, so again we reach the end, and in this 4 chain space we're gonna place 4 double crochets. Just 2 rows, repeat. It's very easy. So 4th, and again you're gonna chain 4, and you're gonna skip this 4 double crochet, and in the space here you're gonna do a single crochet. I think I'm gonna do this row and then I'm gonna stop. Chain 4, and again you're gonna skip this 4 double crochet, and in the space between the clusters of double crochets you're gonna place a single crochet. Chain 4, and you skip these 3 double crochet, so you go into the chain, inside the chain like this, or you just go into the space and you do a single crochet, and you're gonna chain 4, and in this 4 chain space you're gonna first here you're gonna place 3 double crochet, you move to the next 4 chain space, 4 double crochet, and so on until even at the end you place 4 double crochets, and that's about it. It's a very easy stitch. You can do, if you, for example, you don't like the double crochet, you can do with triple crochet stitch. So I don't know which one you might like. You like the with a triple. This is made the sample, and I'm doing this stitch for my other channel. So you can do this with triple crochet, and this is the back, and this is the front, or you do with the double crochet. Which one do you like? Double crochet or triple crochet? You choose. But it's a very easy stitch. It goes really fast. I'm sure you can think of projects to do with this this stitch. And if you make a blanket, for example, you have these chains here on the edge that you can place a border, whatever border you like. And in here you're gonna have to go like in between here, the first double crochet. So yeah, well, it's up to you how you like to do this. If you choose to do a border, you might want to go around with a single crochet once and then put whatever border you like for the blanket. Well, this is it for this stitch. I hope you enjoy. Well, I hope you stay safe with this situation and stay indoors and take good care of you and your loved ones. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.